Welcome to Modular Closets. In this video, we'll review the tower assembly, which is the first step for the shelf unit, drawer unit, and shoe tower. Like all modular closet components, the tower assembly follows the simple cam lock cam post assembly method. A screwdriver and rubber mallet will be needed to complete the assembly process, and a drill may be used in some steps, but it isn't necessary. Begin by using a razor around the outside edges of the box to open it cleanly, and avoid scratching the materials inside. Lay out all of the contents and take inventory to assure nothing is missing or damaged. An item list as well as detailed assembly instructions are included with each order. Assembly manuals are also available for download through our website. Step 1. Start by screwing cam posts into the appropriate holes on each side panel. A screwdriver or drill may be used, but be sure not to over-tighten. Step 2. Place fixed shelves and cleats onto the cam posts. While placing the fixed shelves, be sure to place the shelf with the cam lock holes facing away from view. Step 3. Place the second side panel onto the fixed shelves and cleats. Be sure to align the cam posts into the holes in the fixed shelf and cleat, and make sure all 3 shelves and cleats are properly aligned. Use a rubber mallet to make sure all the dowels are inserted completely and the side panel is fixed properly. Step 4. Insert a cam lock into each hole in the cleats and fixed shelves. Be sure to insert the cam lock with the arrow pointing towards the head of the screw. Step 5. Use a screwdriver to tighten the cam locks by turning clockwise. Be sure not to over-tighten, which may cause the cam lock to break. You've now completed the basic assembly of the tower unit. If you would like the unit to reach the floor, you'll want to use our optional floor extension, which comes with each tower unit. To add the floor extensions, insert a cam post on the inside of each side panel. Insert the cleat into the side panels, and insert the cam locks into the cam lock holes and tighten. Insert 2 dowels on the top of each side of the leg extensions. This will connect the tower to the extensions. Keep in mind that the leg extensions are 1 inch off the wall, allowing space for base moldings. Now, place the tower on top of the extensions, and assembly is complete. You are now ready to install your tower and enjoy your modular closet.